Thank you for watching Jason Nappy Weather, September 13th, 2024. On satellite imagery, still got that smoke coming down from Canada, although it's a lot thicker back towards New Hampshire and Vermont today. We'll see the sky clear a bit, high and dry, 80s back in the forecast, and then fall fire season not looking good because there is really no rain coming except for a few showers up in the county later today from a backdoor cold front. Still a smoky sky, a light sea breeze, hardly anything now. We'll kick up a little bit this afternoon, and the wind going from south to north behind that cold front up in the county. Mountains 81 before the front, inland 82, and the coast 77 degrees. So ticking up a notch as far as heat goes here, middle of September. As quiet as it gets out in the Gulf of Maine. Seas around 2 feet tops, and the wind around 5 to 10 knots. So no small craft up at all today. For the weekend, yeah, we heat up. 70s to 80s, a little bit more humidity. We're dry through the weekend with a mixture of sun and fair weather clouds. That is it. On the smoke tracker, I want to show you how thick that smoke is back towards New Hampshire and Vermont and New York. Not as thick here in Maine, but definitely still some. This is up in the higher levels of the atmosphere, up in the sky. So you walk outside, you can't really smell it. It's not as much of a threat if you're doing those outdoor activities, but still keep an eye on that. The big ridge that's coming on the weather highway, the big bubble of hot air over in Canada, that is going to be the reason why we are high and dry. No rain expected, and temps are getting up, making a run from mid to even upper 80s in the forecast. I'll get to that in a second, but I really want to talk about the dryness here. As of September 10th, the data here coming in from the Weather Service, okay, and this data shows that it's going to be dry right on through. I can tell you the extended forecast, the next 7-10 days is more high pressure. So this is going to expand. It's going to go up. I expect this to go up into southern Maine at least here with that dry weather on the drought index. Now I want to talk about the forecast the next 10 days. And it is not good as far as irrigation goes and crops. It's great for outdoor activities. It's great if you like it hot. This is called never-ending or endless summer, I believe. And yeah, how about 80s next week? Caribou. This is northern Maine. This is going to be hot for this time of the year. Lewis and Auburn, mid-80s in the forecast. And let's go down to Sanford, where easily mid-80s are in the forecast. So this is a long-term forecast before we get to the end of next week, where we do finally cool down. So hopefully you like endless summer, because we're in it in the forecast coming up. I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you up on the social media today. Have a great day.